we're looking at is an ambitious, urgent decarbonisation of shipping, which I think most people agree that that's what we need to be doing. The ships that we're designing and building today need to be operating in a net zero emissions world by the end of their operational life.
In order to reach the Paris Agreement goals, all sectors of the economy have to contribute.
We can prepare better legislation, we can prepare some initiatives and rewards for the first movers, for the good technology providers and others, and make better framework conditions for those who have something good to offer. So there's a lot to be done.
Decarbonization is a tremendous opportunity. So it will reorganize markets, it will reorganize business models, but those companies that can understand that ahead of time, so those companies that are really here today and contributing, probably will be the companies of the future.
There are different solutions out there, but there's not the one solution right now that will take that will lead the whole development. So we have to engage with the ship owners to see how we can make alternative powertrains and fuels attractive so that we can reduce the CO2 footprint of global shipping.
We need to get investors on board. We need to make CO2 reduction in shipping a good business case, and we need to create an appetite among investors. That could be a challenge.
Opportunities are there. Technologies are being developed. Some of the technologies are mature already. What needs to be done is the political signal, number one. Once we have the signal in place, then there will be change, there will be shift in the minds, and this will have implications on what kind of technologies the ship owners want to see in their next ships.
The biggest opportunities are in looking at the system, propulsion systems, hybrid propulsion systems, engine, propeller, but then also in the alternative fuels with a more favorable CO2 footprint.
One of the main things we see is that the maritime energy transition is not something that only MAN Diesel and Turbo is talking about. This is a general tendency, and I think we'll see a lot of vessels in the very near future shifting towards LNG as a fuel.
We have an incredible array of talented engineers and designers, and what we want to say at this event is, let's put that challenge in their hands. Let's look at it as an opportunity, not as a barrier, and say, guys, come up with the solutions. We know you can, because you have in the past.